Right, welcome ladies and gents. So, we've just filmed a really cool, well we hope it's going to be really cool, review with the Integra Type R. And then I thought, well, first person to ever kind of come out in the Pulsar, so I thought we would get your reactions just for a bit of a laugh. Well, first impressions, what do you think?
Mate, I love them. It's proper old school Japanese cars, aren't they? Yeah, I love them. I've always loved them.
They're very quirky, like all the gauges and stuff like that, quirky and weird. So that's boost gauge that does actually work.
Yeah.
So yeah, boost gauge, pressure and temperature. Yeah, it's still a work in progress, ladies and gents. Still a work in progress, but you know we got the lucky camper, so we're all right. But it's a miracle that even the dash isn't cranked, because it's like a 90, 91, and then the dash isn't cranked at all, which is a fucking miracle for an old jet car. Yeah. Because the dash is just bubble crank.
Yeah. Made of cheap material, wasn't it, back in the day?
Yeah. So basically, we're just going to drive around, and this is going to be a drive-in chit-chatty video, and getting someone else's reaction, because I've been in this, and I think it's relatively quick.
Yep.
But then nothing like his car. That Integra is a fucking monster. So it'll be interesting to see what you think of this, quite frankly, I think.
Oh, it'll be good, yeah. But this will be the first time I've ever been out in one.
And you're used to front-wheel drive as well, aren't you?
Yeah. Never been out in a four-wheel drive car.
Oh, there you go then, ladies and gents. So, yeah, a bit of a sort of an impromptu video today. But yeah, should be relatively good, I think. We'll let it warm up a little bit as well.
Yeah.
It's the sound I like. It instantly puts a smile on my face.
Love that.
It's quite unique, isn't it?
It's almost Scooby-ish.
Yes, so 4-cylinder.
Love it.
But that's it. See how crap the brakes are? They're awful. So that's slamming my feet down. That's slamming my foot down. That was slamming my foot down.
Yeah, I can imagine you get some hairiness.
Yeah. No, the brakes are crap. It's not really the normal thing you tell someone you're going to go out in your car and thrash it. My brakes are really bad. Let's boost it.
I think, to be fair, man, I've had a reputation of going out in really dangerously shit cars.
Oh, really?
So,
well, this isn't dangerously shit.
No,
it's just good.
Yeah. So
the brakes are just a little bit off.
Yeah. Well, I think the Accord Type R's brakes didn't work in the end.
Did it not?
No. It got worse and worse and worse, and I was like, maybe they just need the brake pads. No, that's what's up.
Nice sound. It's like a sound. Instant smile.
Love that. Is that just a dump valve course?
It's just blow off valve, yeah. Yeah, just blow off valve. That's very Subaru-esque as well.
I said more 2JZ-y.
Yeah.
Subaru's more like the...
Yeah, well, it's very much, I guess it's just like old school blow off valves. You don't get those turbo noises in modern cars, and that's part of the fun. That is genuinely part of the fun to sort of enjoy it. So you've never been all-wheel drive car completely new or not?
Yeah, completely new, yeah. Never been in any four-wheel drive cars.
Okay.
Subarus, Evos.
This will be interesting then. Yeah. We're going to go fill this up, and then we'll go back out. We'll sort of hook up with you guys when we're warmed up and got a little bit more petrol in the tank, because we're going to need it. It's not bad, is it? It's alright. That sound as well.
There you go.
Yeah.
I love it.
I skipped a gear then as well.
Yeah.
It's fucking well annoying. I'm still getting used to it, guys, alright? But we'll leave it in because uncensored. going, like it boosts all the way up. You see what I mean? Like quite similar to the Integra in terms of it. The power band just keeps going and going and going. It doesn't seem to choke out that much.
No, that's good.
The sounds are nice. The pops are really cool.
Yeah, I'm jealous when people do that.
Yeah. Well, you should do it because it's not got a cat anyway.
Nice and cool.
Yeah, see, like Speedo's just shit the bed. Look. Sorry, son. Do you know how fast you get? Fucking no clue, mate.
Sorry, sir. No.
Yeah. Sorry, officer. Not a fucking clue.
If that's the car, he doesn't know either.
Yeah. Oh, now it's working. Completely on the piss. I hate this Speedo. It's just garbage. Modified cars, old cars, eh? Love them.
Yeah.
Fun and games.
Quirky.
Yeah, fun and games. I'll tell you what, so I'll tell you a story. I was coming this way before when I was doing the break-in period with this car. And, fucking BMW drivers, no offence BMW drivers. Some of you are knobs.
A lot of them.
Yeah, and this fucking BMW, like, got right up my arse. And I'm like doing the speed limit and stuff. I'm like, I get it, you want to have fun and everything. Got right up my arse to the point where I'm like he's like, I couldn't see him. Because if you don't know, ladies and gents, like, the rear of this car is just flat. You know, the window is just flat. So I couldn't even see his bumper, his headlights. And that's how close to my back end he was. And I'm like, what are you doing, mate? So then obviously if you do that, I'm gonna have some fun. So I just go like 10 mile an hour. And then he's like bobbing and weaving and doing all of this. And then overtakes me, and then slams his brakes on. So I just slam my high beams on. I'm like, you're just a knob, like, what are you doing?
Tit for tat, mate.
Even that short shifted.
Yeah.
It's nice, it's good power.
That's very good. It feels so fucking smooth as well. Smooth, decent power delivery.
Brand new turbo as well. Brand new. I don't know which one it is. Don't ask me. It's upgraded. It's bigger than what it should be.
Garrett.
Yeah. Garrett turbo. I don't know what one it is. Like I have all the documents for it. But I don't know what one it is.
There's no lots of people like to use it for safety, don't they?
Yeah. So these are the windy roads. So this is 2-gate style.
Yeah.
So up and down hills, corners.
Hill climbing then.
Yeah. Well, it's just like they're just fun. Like they're challenging because to really push through the corners, like it's a challenge.
Yeah.
Thoughts? We've just done loads of driving. I don't even know how this is going to do because one, my eye's been watering the whole time, and then there was so many cars we couldn't really do a lot of. We've done a lot of pulls, but there's a lot of footage, and I don't know what it's going to look like. Hopefully, it's a reasonable video. But what did you think of it?
That is amazing.
Yeah, because you've never been in an all-wheel drive.
Never been in all-wheel drive.
Or all-wheel drive turbo car either.
No.
So completely new.
Yeah, and it's especially I've never been in a Nissan, mind you, like ever.
Have you not?
Ever.
Wow.
For some reason, yeah.
Okay.
Just never.
Interesting.
Yeah.
So what do you think? I guess power and stuff like that compared to yours. Obviously, it's not the same power, but like delivery and what does it feel like?
It's so much smoother than mine. Obviously, like
yours is just rapid.
Yeah, it's just a raw bastard. But
if you haven't seen that video, it's linked above. Seriously, watch it. It'll be a good video. I'll make sure it's a good video.
It's just I tell you what, it's so different. But as you said, like the roads open up a little bit more, and you got more comfortable with it again.
It's the bloody brakes, though.
Yeah,
brakes are terrible on this car. They're awful. Hence why I got a big brake kit to go on. But Jesus, they're so bad.
Yeah, mate,
they're not fun.
Amazing, like genuinely a really, really fucking cool car. Really cool car.
He wants one now. He wants one.
Yeah, I won't get much love from that. If you do that, I might have a couple of words to say.
Yeah, no, I can imagine.
She can use that daily. Yeah, she'd love it.
They're practical. They've got back seats. Yeah, they're practical. You know, it's 5-seater technically, sort of. I think maybe.
How much fuel did you say you put through?
Quarter of a tank. I don't know how much that is, but yeah, it's quarter of a tank. I think that was like, I don't know, like £15 just used. too bad. Maybe a little bit more. Tank's really
I
small.
was about to say that's got to be quite a small tank.
Yeah, it's a really small tank. I can't fill that up all the way because again, it's got a bloody leak. But we're fixing that. We're fixing that. So yeah, fun. Enjoyed it.
Thoroughly enjoyed it, man.
Good.
It was wicked.
Cool. It's nice to get someone else's reaction to a car that you're like, yeah, I love this car. This car's super cool. And then getting someone else's reaction is always fun. What do you think to the styling of it though? It's quite unique, isn't it?
I love them. I love. You can tell it's early 90s.
Yeah. Yeah.
Is it probably early 90s?
So they made them between like 90 and then 94, and then some of them are like 91 year or something like that.
Yeah,
So,
it's got that actual shape, though, haven't they? They've all got the same
Yeah.
sort of. It's almost a wedge. It sounds like in a bad way of saying
it's
it,
a
but
box.
it's a box with a big bloody spoiler on it.
Yeah, yeah. Well, I relate that almost to like the Cosworth, you know?
Yeah.
Cosworth sort of spoilers a bit like that, really.
Yeah, well, modern day,
Sort of flat thing.
yeah, well, modern day spoilers have all got they've got like big shapes and
Yeah.
curves. Old ones just fucking get on there,
Yeah.
weren't
I don't know how much downforce I was going to provide, but it looks cool. So, and it's factory, so it's happy to keep it.
they? Yeah.
But anyway, yeah, cool. I thought we'd get his reaction. Hit thumbs up and all that good stuff. Take care. Love you. Bye.
Hey.